What's up guys, it's Jazz and welcome to this month's Pupbox review. This is the 9-month box. Obviously this is a voiceover because my phone is messed up and I'm working on getting audio fixed on that, but it recorded real bad. So here we are, you can see them playing with a couple of the toys that we got in the box. We got a Nerf multi-shaped ball. It is pretty chew resistant. Dolly's just in a real heavy chewing phase right now, so she has destroyed almost everything so far. We also got a cute little Sharky that you'll see later. You're gonna see coming up, we got some Tearless shampoo, some cranberry some cranberry treats, and then some pumpkin chews that I'm very excited about. And the puppies have enjoyed them a lot. But yeah, so this is the Pupbox. It's the monthly subscription, and they do genuinely enjoy the toys, but this one's main extra thing was the Tearless shampoo. Personally, I liked the toys that came with this one, and I liked the treats. I have noticed that past like the 6-month mark, the extra fun thing that you get isn't really all that interesting or useful, because like by the time that they're 9 months old, you've given them a bath, so why am I getting shampoo? That's my only real concern here. But yeah, enjoy the clips of them playing. We obviously got the pamphlets and everything, as you can see me looking at here, and Merle's just like, I want that toy. I want it. I want to see if there's anything in here that I can eat. But yeah, enjoy, and I'll see you guys next month. Bye!